Cyclo Vac central vacuums have been manufactured in Canada for over 45 years and are available in more than 20 countries worldwide. We are proud of our team of professionals that allow us to offer a superior product that contributes to cleaner air in your home or workspace. The research and development is done here. The design, the production, as well as the sales strategies. The sheet metal is formed, bent, and welded according to the different models of central vacuums. Our epoxy paint assures durability as well as superior finish, while respecting existing environmental norms. Quality control inspections are done at each stage, and only the products that respect our stringent norms carry the prestigious Cyclo Vac logo. Whether you own your home or are renting, we have the central vacuum that suits your needs. Made in North America, Cyclo Vac, performance and innovation. Race-inspired lines, sleek body contours, a rich metallic finish, exhilarating motor performance, sheer raw power, high-efficiency filtration system, a perfect balance between design and technology. Made in North America, Cyclo Vac, performance and innovation.
Did you catch that? We'll show you again. And again. Actually, it's pretty much all we'll show you, because it's what Vroom does. It's the 3-second clean. Perfect for people who'd rather be doing anything but cleaning. With Vroom, by the time you even think about it, it's over. Really, when it comes to cleaning, we just want to get it done too. That's why we do it in 3 seconds. fits inside your cabinet, so when you're not cleaning, you don't have to be reminded of it. Know all those other cleaning tools you hate too? Broom, dustpan, that stick thing with the cloth on it? Throw them away. Because Vroom does it all. Turns on automatically. Some say it has psychic abilities. It extends up to 24 feet, so if the cleaning bug ever bites you, go nuts. Works with central vacuum systems or by itself, aka every home. Optional dirt-seeking devices available. Some call them attachments. So if you like it clean, but don't like cleaning, Vroom is for you. VroomYourRoom.com